what issues matter to you the most? The past few months have been pretty turbulent to say the least, both here and globally. But some of you will soon have the chance to have your say on things, with 2 by-elections on the way. So we're here in Galway West to ask young voters what's on their minds before they head to the polls. So talk to me about housing. Why did you pick this issue?
If they build more, they are building more. There's more going up out in West Side, there's more going up in Ballybane, but the price of the housing is the issue. Like, student accommodation should not be 600 to 1,300 euros. Like, as a student, I'm working 25 hours a week most weeks on top of my studies just to be able to afford rent, because the price of it is just extortionate.
How does that make you feel about your future in Ireland?
With the way that things are going, the cost of living and everything, it definitely enters my mind every single day. Maybe I do have to go somewhere else, because I'm not just thinking about myself, I'm thinking about my future. Like, to buy a house, to even obviously in the far future to end up having kids and then trying to raise them, they're going to deal with the same struggles that I'm dealing with now.
So you're looking at student housing costs. Talk to me about that.
I had to live at home for the last 4 years, and it's just difficult getting in and out every single evening, the cost of like trains or buses. So it would be better to live in town, but they're just like, it's not an option. Like 1,000 a month, like I don't think any part-time job would kind of get you through that.
With the Galway West by-election,
Yeah.
is this an issue you would like the elected representative to bring to it all?
I suppose put a cap maybe on the prices that they're charging. Like anything over 1,000, 900, 800 is just like insane.
So you chose cost of living, and tell me how that's impacting you.
Again, from all around the student experience at the minute, from rent to transportation costs, especially in the most obvious cost of living for us here at the minute is the college fees.
So what can this by-election do for Galway West then?
And it isn't just a city election, we have the entirety of Galway West, from all the way from the city out to Clifton. And there's so many communities out there who, just by the fact they aren't living in big towns, they feel underrepresented. And we need to make sure that for democracy in Galway West, that we keep everyone on board that way. We need someone who's able to bring together the multiple identities of Galway West, like Michael D did before, in terms of Gaeilge, in terms of students, in terms of culture, and especially in terms of sort of progressive housing policy.
So Paddy, you're Vice President here of the SU. What are you hearing from students?
I think the most common thing that we're hearing from students is the lack of availability of student accommodation, and then the price of it as well. I mean, it's becoming quite common to hear of students paying 1,400 a month, and you'd very rarely hear of students paying less than 800 a month. It's just become simply unaffordable and hard to get even.
Galway West is such a big constituency geographically. What are you hearing from students about how their commute to here?
Students from far out in the West Galway region, they are forced to drive, and it's just becoming increasingly expensive.
I'm living about 25 kilometres outside the city because I couldn't afford the rent for anything else in town, and even though I'm only paying about 500 euro a month in rent, I'm paying probably another 120, 130 euro in buses. And the last bus back to my accommodation leaves at 10 p.m. every night, no exceptions. Even on a student leave card, you're paying prices that is not within your budget.
What would you like to see government do in terms of housing for young people?
I think it would be really important to be more clear on rules for renting for landlords. For the likes of digs, they're a great solution sometimes in the short term, maybe not so long term. I think more investment is definitely needed here in the West in housing.
How does the housing crisis make you feel about your future in Ireland?
It definitely makes me question it, that the housing costs are just so expensive and they don't really align with the cost of living down here and salary expectations.
So you were talking about Susie.
Yes.
Tell me how this is impacting you.
Okay, so I think the Susie is very black and white, and it's impacted me and a few of my classmates. I think we don't all fall into these little categories, so although the government have increased the thresholds, they still don't really help. So it's about how do we broaden the eligibility criteria to actually get onto these payments in the first place, because the government, in fairness, have increased the thresholds over the last number of years, but for the people that don't fall into these very strict criteria, them thresholds they don't matter, because we're not getting it anyways.
I think in our next representative in the Dáil, we need someone preferably young enough and someone with experience who can represent young voices in the Dáil. And I think college fees is a big issue because government increased the fees. It does affect loads of students, and we definitely need to do something with that.
Even with the 500 euro decrease as well, do you still think government need to do more?
Yeah, but in Ireland we have the most expensive free education in Europe. I think we can do something with it.